I just returned from 2 jam-packed days of garden hopping in Phoenix with my partner in all things gardening and food, Jack Davis at Epic Yard Farm. Take a look at day 2. I can't make a trip to Phoenix without saying hello to Jill Green at Sweet Life Garden, which was in full bloom for her daughter's wedding later that day. As they were setting up for the intimate celebration, we took one quick selfie and headed to the 2nd annual Arizona Honeybee Festival.
Oh, hey, I'm Cricket, and I'm the organizer of the Arizona Honeybee Festival. This is our 2nd year, and it's amazing. We have chef demos, we have kids crafts, we have awesome music, which you'll probably hear in a second. We have vendors selling honey, beekeepers. We have classes all about beekeeping and everything that helps the bees, which is super important for all of us. My website is gardenvarietybees.com, and we also have azhoneybeefest.org, so check both of them out.
And you're on Instagram at?
Instagram at Garden Variety Life.
And we did a video together.
Yeah, we did.
Some time ago, one of my first trips over
Yes.
here. And you showed me your beautiful garden.
Yeah, I don't know if I had bees yet then, did I?
You did have bees.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
Bees, chickens.
Oh yeah, it was fun, yeah. Now it's a lot of bees.
A lot of bees?
A lot of bees. I have 7 hives.
So what's next today?
What's next
Have
today?
you had a lot of people?
Oh, we've had thousands of people here, yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, people are so excited about bees. They want to help them, so they either want to plant gardens for bees or they want to have bees. And we're here to do both of those things, so I love it. Well, in Arizona, Baja Fairy Duster, it's absolutely their favorite plant.
Baja
Fairy Duster, yeah. It's not an edible, but it's a desert plant and they love it. And Queensreed, if you like a vine, Queensreed is phenomenal.
Right? No, you're right.
Loofah, also amazing. And any vegetables, really.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. So we have this hive that we have over in the kids area that we're letting kids paint. So it's super awesome, and it's gone through transitions throughout the day, and I'm really liking what it is now. And in a couple weeks, we're gonna rescue some bees and put them in that hive. And then we're gonna let the kids watch videos of that hive progress through the year, and then we're gonna collect honey from it and bring it to the festival next year. So,
And where will this hive live in the meantime?
that hive will live in somebody's garden. I'm not sure who.
Okay.
I should have put a raffle for that one. So in Phoenix, it's really awesome because you only need 1,700 square feet of space to keep bees in your yard. So your total property has to be only 1,700 square feet.
Wow.
Yeah. It's really the best city in Arizona to keep bees. It's Phoenix proper, and places like Glendale, Peoria, Tempe, Chandler, Mesa, they all have their own rules. But we're trying to help change that so that everyone can keep bees.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And why are so many on the bottom and not on the top? Is there a reason?
Not too much. There's just it's probably the queen.
The queen down here.
Can you find her? You see her?
I don't.
How often are they laying eggs?
She can lay up to 1,500 a day.
Really?
Yeah.
So she lays 1,500 one day, and she lays 1,500 another day, and then another day, and another day, and she was only been impregnated one time?
7 days a week.
For how long? How many weeks?
Up to 5 years, depending on.
What? She's only impregnated one time?
She's
producing.
She keeps
Producing eggs.
Somehow it happens. I have no idea. Look how big she is, and then
She does that for 5 years? So
up
she's
to
laying
5
eggs every minute.
Yeah, in Arizona, she doesn't last as long. It's probably around 2 years.
So is she kind of working herself around so that she drops an egg into the... I see she's on the move.
Let's see what she... Yep, she just did one. She just laid an egg.
I think she's doing it again because she's dropping her...
Yep, when she puts her
abdomen down.
She's laying an egg.
And then what are the other ones doing when she does that?
Cleaning her up or I don't know, encouraging her. I don't know that one. That's usually they're feeding her. She doesn't actually go to any place with some food on it.
I grow moringa at home,
And this
so
one's
I'm
been
curious.
very popular today. It's from Haiti.
Okay.
but also some people don't love it. It's weird. Well, it's like a lot of food, you know. Some people like Brussels sprouts, some people don't.
Remind me of kombucha.
Yes, actually, and they sell a fall kind, you know, and I liked it a little better, but are they nice?
Tastes like a cross between molasses and something. Mushrooms.
It's woody.
There was a Brazilian beekeeper at the festival last year. He was just visiting, but then at the end he came and he brought us this gift pack. And I'll tell you, these are amazing.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Now this is a very strange.
Moringa from Kaye.
It's very light. I mean, I love it, but it's very light. But the one I really like is the pepper tree.
There's a California pepper tree over there too, and this is Brazilian pepper tree.
And when I moved up here,
I gotta have some of that. That is so incredible.
Interesting one, Manuka from New Zealand. Now all honey is antibacterial, but this one has a particularly high level of antibacterial properties
Oh, let's see.
because of the Manuka flowers. You know, you put this on wounds and it'll heal them up.
Boy, that's good too.
Isn't it? It's very delicious. Yeah, these folks, these young men are over there.
I'm here with
They're really full of honey.
I'm Mike. This is Lena, three-legged Chihuahua. I'm a master gardener with the Maricopa County Extension in Phoenix. And all of these honeys came out of my cupboard. Honeys from all over the world, all over Arizona. I collect honey. I like peanut butter and honey sandwiches, like honey and tea, honey on ice cream, honey just on spoons. Honey's good. It's also medicine, so here we have Manuka honey, which is one of the most medicinal ones. Comes from New Zealand, from a specific plant that's related to the tea tree plant, the tea tree oil. And so the honeybees collect the nectar from these flowers. It's very medicinal. They're using it in some hospitals to treat like the resistant staph and some wounds that won't heal. You can use any honey that's raw and not pasteurized to treat wounds, but some of the southern hemisphere honeys are more medicinal, have a stronger amount of the medicine.
Hi, I'm Peggy. I specialize in edible and medicinal plants of the desert. I made fire cider and I extracted all of these vegetables with apple cider vinegar. This side I infuse honey with herbs. Juniper, chaparral or creosote bush from my garden, calendula flower, cloves, garlic, and honey. And I have some herbs here, rosemary, thyme, sage, and lemongrass and vinegar.
And we're going to try some of this fire cider, right?
calendula sounds really good.
Then add some water.
Smells amazing.
That was a lot in a little cup.
Yes, it hits you with that spice, like that strong spice, and then all the other flavors start coming in. The creosote, I even taste the ginger.
You can taste all of that?
Yeah,
Wow.
it just kind of come right after that kick in the beginning.
Hi, my name is Janina and I'm with Botanical Garden Farms of Phoenix, Arizona, and we sell all local natural raw honey.
And you're going to sell me what?
Honey.
Bee pollen.
Oh yeah. And bee. So this is the fall desert bloom, this is the orange blossom, this is the late summer bloom, and then this is our spring desert bloom.
Are you actually growing the flowers that they have for the all seasons, or are they finding them wild?
So we find them wild in the desert of Buckeye Tonopah area, which is where we keep our bee farm.
Now this is going to make me super energetic and super healthy, right?
Everyone, my name is Dave Stone and my company is StonehavenOrganic.com, and I'm totally obsessed with a plant called Moringa. I even make fertilizer from Moringa. Moringa is the most nutrient-dense food on the planet, and it's really good for people to eat, but it's also very good for plants to eat. So as I started fermenting the Moringa and making it into foliar feed or concentrate for root drench, it's blown up my yard. And I have a urban farm in Phoenix called Stonehaven. You can check it out or go to my YouTube channel, Develop Awesome Skills. You can see from bare dirt to fruit canopy in 18 months.
Awesome. The food movement in Phoenix is amazing. And as Jack put it, I've only scratched the surface from the gardeners that I've met. Be sure and watch my Phoenix Gardens playlist. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please watch these. How did I get restocked?
She gets she goes out and
Goes out?
goes out one time. She'll actually go out and meet up and get impregnated by 7 to 10, maybe even more
Males?
drones, and then she goes back to the hive and she's done.